Hi, I'm Amar. Today, let's go to America. Let us learn the countries of North America and South America. Before going to learn the countries, let us see the boundaries. Arctic Ocean, Hudson Bay, Atlantic Ocean, Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, Southern Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So, first, let's begin with North America. First, so this country is the second largest country in the world. It is Canada. Then above Canada, we find an island. So it is the largest island in the world. It is Greenland. So then below Canada, we find a country. It is the third largest country in the world. It is also familiar to you. It is USA, United States of America. So, in USA, we find 50 states. 48 states are in this part. So, today, let's see the 49th and 50th states of USA. Before going to that states, you might be wondering that why I have drawn the border of Canada till here. What is this part? So that part is Alaska. It is the 49th state of USA. So Alaska. USA purchased Alaska from Russia in 1867. So what is the 50th state of USA? Do you know it? Yes, it is Hawaii. It is located in Pacific Ocean. This is Hawaii. So then below the USA we find Latin America. Do you know what is Latin America? Yes, it is the part from the Mexico till the southern tip of South America. This total part is called the Latin America. So here first this country is Mexico. Then below Mexico, in this part from here till here, we find 7 countries in that region. So it is a little bit difficult to learn that 7 countries. So we frame a word using the first letters of the 6 countries, and we will use it to learn the countries. So next we will go to the 7th country. The first 6 countries are shaped in the shape of a letter S. So, in this S shape, the 6 countries are there. So, the word is Begwel-Honiko. Let me write the word here. So, Begwel-Honiko is the word. Let us see the countries. First, Belize, Guatemala, then El Salvador, Honduras. Ni, Nicaragua. And Costa Rica. So these are the first 6 countries. Now let us see the 7th country. In the 7th country, we find a canal which joins the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans and divides the North America and the South America. So that canal's name is Panama Canal. So I think you got that this country's name is Panama. So the 7th country is Panama. So here we find some islands. These are the Caribbean islands. They play cricket in the name of West Indies. So first let us see the countries in the Caribbean islands. First, Cuba. Above Cuba, Bahamas. Below, Jamaica. Haiti. Dominican Republic. Here, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is actually not a country, but it is a dependent territory of USA. Saint Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, Dominica, Saint Lucia, Saint Vincent and Grenadines. Here this is Barbados, Grenada and Trinidad and Tobago. So we have completed the North America now. So let us come to South America. So first, if we go to the South America from Panama, we enter Colombia. So this country is Colombia. We learn every country in the South America has its own importance. We associate that country, the importance to its country, so that we remember that country easily. So we learn the countries of South America easily by drawing a letter S, which covers almost all the countries. So this is the letter S. It covers almost all the countries of South America. So here we used a little s, a small s, to remember 6 countries. And here we use a large S to remember 10 countries of South America. So right now we are in Colombia. If we see just right to Colombia, we find the highest waterfalls in the world. Do you know what is it? Yes, it is the Angel Waterfalls. It is located in this country. It is Venezuela. So moving on to the right, we find 3 small countries. This is Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. So French Guiana is not a country, it is a France region. So let's come back to the Colombia and let's follow the letter S. Here, left to Colombia, we find another country. As you can see, this line is equator. So the equator passes through this country. So this country is called as Ecuador. So here you can find a lake. It is the highest lake in the world. It is Lake Titicaca. So this lake is located between two countries. Let us see the two countries. So these are the two countries. Let us see the names. This is Peru and this is Bolivia. So if we follow the S letter, we find two more countries. So that countries have rhyming words. These countries have the names like rhyming words. So the countries' names are Paraguay and Uruguay. You might confuse that which is Paraguay and which is Uruguay. So take alphabetical order. Which comes first? Paraguay or Uruguay? Yes, Paraguay. So first country, it is Paraguay. And this is Uruguay. So then we have almost completed all the countries of South America. So we have followed the letter S and we covered most of the countries. So there is another country here. It is very narrow and very long. So this country is very long but its name is very short. It is Chile. So we have completed almost all the countries of South America except for two. This one and this one. So we don't know what that countries are. If in mathematics, if anything is unknown, we use variables like xy or ab. So here we also use variables. So let's represent this country as A and this as B. So these variables are the first letters of these countries. So A for Argentina and B for Brazil. So we have completed the countries of North America and South America. Here there are some islands. They are Galapagos Islands. So we have completed the countries of North America and South America. So now let's learn the capital cities. Canada, Ottawa. USA, Washington DC. Mexico, Mexican City. Belize, Belmopan. Guatemala, Guatemala City. El Salvador, San Salvador. Honduras, Tegucigalpa. Nicaragua, Managua. Costa Rica, San Jose. Panama, Panama City. Cuba, Havana. Bahamas, Nassau. Jamaica, Kingston. Haiti, Port-au-Prince. Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. Saint Kitts and Nevis, Basseterre. Antigua and Barbuda, St. John's. Dominica, Rosie. Saint Lucia, Castries. Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Kingstown. Grenada, St. George. Barbados, Bridgetown, Trinidad and Tobago, Port of Spain. In South America, Colombia, Bogota, Venezuela, Caracas, Guyana, Georgetown, Suriname, Paramaribo, French Guiana, Cayenne. Ecuador, Quito, Peru, Lima, Bolivia, La Paz, Paraguay, Asuncion, Uruguay, Montevideo. Chile, Santiago, Argentina, Buenos Aires, and Brazil, Brasilia. So, I hope you all learned the countries of America. Thank you.